In this video, we're going to show you how to install the master window switch on your Toyota Camry located in the driver's side front door. With the door panel open, we're going to go ahead and use our trim tool here to go ahead and get right on the back side. Push this in and then twist it, popping this up. Now we're just releasing some plastic retainers, and I'm going to lift it up and pull it back. Going to flip it over. You're going to have two connectors on the back side. There's going to be a little retainer button here. You're going to press that in and then pull that white connector out. Do the same on this one here. Pinch and pull. Now that we have the unit out, we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove the 3 retaining screws holding the master switch into the trim bezel there. Could remove the switch. Go ahead and take your trim bezel and the switch assembly, line it up. Go ahead and get your screws started. Run those screws in, and we're simply going to lightly snug these down. Once it stops, just give it a little bit more. And repeat this process for the other 2. Grab the harness, get your connectors plugged in, insert the front portion into the hole in the pocket of the door panel, push it forward, line it up. It's going to be a series of tabs that line up in the door panel itself. Snap it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.